Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 29th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. Fine class? Okay. So in yesterday's lesson we studied about the concept of multiplication of 5 digits by a 3-digit number. Isn't class? Very good. So I have an example. (80) 093. This is a 5-digit number and I want to multiply by 200. Okay. So first of all you tell me what is multiplicand and what is multiplier in this. Who will tell me this? Very good. 80,093 is multiplicand and 200 is the multiplier. Multiplier कौन सा होता है? जिससे हम नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, ठीक है? और मल्टीप्लिकेंट जिससे नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होता है. फाइन. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. नाउ आई विल start from this side because it is the rule of any operation that we will start from the right side. The first digit from the right side of multiplier is 0. Now I will multiply 0 by this whole number. Okay? So let's see what will happen there. 03 times 0, 09 times 0, 00 times 0. Okay, 00 times 0, 08 times 16. Oh, sorry, 08 times 0. Every number which will multiply by 0, we get in the end is 0. We get in the end is 0. So we have 0 in the end. Fine? Okay, the next number is 0 again. अब इस 0 को इस होल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम. Very good. So 03 times, but we will write multiplication sign here because we have done with 1 digit number. Okay? हम एक नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हैं, so that's why हम क्या करेंगे? We will write multiplication sign from the right side. 0, 03 times 0, 09 times 0, 0 times 0, 00 times 0 and 08 times is 0. Fine? Okay. Now I will write 2 multiplication sign there because I am done with 2-digit number in which they are class 00. Fine? So अब ये 2 की टर्म है, so क्या करेंगे हम? 2 3 times 6, 2 9 times 18, 2 digits, so I will write 8 here and 1 as a carry. Fine? 2 0 times 0 and 1 as it is. 2 0 times 0 and 2 6 times 16. Okay class? Now I will add the whole because it is the rule that we will add the whole numbers in the end. Now we will add one by one. So from the right side we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 6. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0. 6 as it is and 1 as it is. Okay class, so this is how we can multiply 5-digit number with 3-digit number. Isn't class? Okay, so this is at ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So we can read this number which is in total as 16,18,600. Fine. 16,18,600. Okay class? Now let's move towards its next question, which is question number 6. Page number 15. And the statement is find the product. Find the product. A part, multiplicand 5829. Multiplicand 5829 and multiplier is 431. Fine class. So who will tell me what is multiplier and what is multiplicand? Yes Sanan, you tell me what is multiplicand? Very good. The multiplicand is the number or the quantity which is to be multiplied. Okay? ऐसा नंबर या ऐसी क्वांटिटी जिसको हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. And what is multiplier? Yes Adya? Very good. Multiplier is the number or quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied. ठीक है, जिससे हम multiplicand को क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई. उसको क्या कहते हैं हम, मल्टीप्लायर. Okay, so we will write multiplier is at first and multiplier is at second, which is 3-digit number. Like this. Fine? Now, I will start from this side, which is 1. So, क्या करूँगी मैं इस 1 को इस whole के साथ multiply करूँगी. Isn't class? Okay. So 1 multiply by 9. 9. 1 2 times 2. 1 8 times 8. 1 5 times 5. Multiplication sign here. Why I will write multiplication sign there? Very good, because I am done with 1-digit number. Isn't class? Okay. Now we will do for 3. अब multiply 3 के लिए करेंगे. So 3 9 times 27. 2 digits, so 2 here. 3 2 times is 6. 6 में 2 add करेंगे, so we get 8. 3 8 times is 24. 4 here and 2 as a carry. 3 5 times 15. 15 में 2 add करेंगे तो we get 17. Fine? Now I will write 2 multiplication sign here because I am done with 2-digit number, which is 31. Isn't class? Okay. Now I will start from 4. अब इस 4 को इस 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना मैंने. So 4 9 times is 36. Isn't class? So what is at unit place? 6. 6 and 3 as a carry. Fine. Now 4 2 times 8. 4 2 times 8. 8 में अब 3 ऐड करेंगे, so we get 11. 11. Fine. 4 8 times 32. 4 8 times 32. अब इसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे, so we get 33. 3 as a carry. Now 4 5 times 20. 4 5 times 20 और 20 में 3 ऐड करेंगे, so we get 23 in the end. Fine class. So this is how we can solve multiplication of 4 digit by 3 digit number. In the end what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे end पर? Very good. We will add. हम क्या करते हैं? एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एंड पे हम क्या करते हैं? जब नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, ऐड करते हैं. नाउ आई विल ऐड 1 by 1. 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 4 upper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 4 middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 6 4 lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in total we have class 8 8 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 22 two digit number. So I will write 2 here and 2 as a carry. Fine. Now 5 plus 2, which is 7 4 upper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 4 4 middle and 1 4 lower. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 two digit number class. I will write 2 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 7 plus 1 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 again as a carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 4 middle and 3 4 lower. So in total we have 5. We have 5 and 2 as it is. Fine class. 2 as it is. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हो गया how we can solve 4 digit number by 3 digit number. Okay, so this is at ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So we can write this as 2 million 500 12,000 200 and 99. Okay, 2,512,299. So this is all class. Okay, now I am going to solve part B. I am going to solve part B, in which multiplicand multiplicand 601 835 and and multiplier is 297. Okay, and multiplier is 297. I will write 601835 and 297. Now I will multiply 6 digit by 3 digit number. Let's see here class. 7 5 times 35. 3 carry. 7 3 times 21. 21 में 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 24. 2 as a carry. 7 8 times 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. Find 7 1 times 7. And 7 में हम 5 ऐड करेंगे, so we get 12. So 2 is at unit place, so I will write 2 below there and 1 as a carry. Fine. Next, which is 7 0 times 0 and 1 क्या होगा as it is. 7 6 times 42. Okay class? Now, I will write multiplication sign because I am done with 1 digit number. Now, अब इस 9 को इस होल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने 9 5 times 45. 4 as a carry. 9 3 times 27. 9 3 times 27. 27 में 4 ऐड करेंगे so 31. Fine. 9 8 times is 72. 72 में 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 75. 7 carry. Fine. 9 1 times 9 and 9 में 7 ऐड करेंगे so we get 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16. 2 digit number, so I will write 6 here and 1 as a carry. 9 0 times 0 and 1 as it is. Fine. 9 6 times 54. Okay. Now, multiplication sign, I will write 2 multiplication sign here because I am done with 2 digit number. Now, अब इस 2 को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने से 2 5 times 10. I will write 0 here and 1 as a carry. 2 3 times 6 and 7. 2 8 times 16. 2 digit number, so I will write 6 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 2 1 times 2 and ye 3. 2 0 times 0 and 2 6 times 12. Okay class? Now in the end what would we do? We will simply add. We will simply add the whole because it is the rule of multiplication. 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 2 digit number, so I will write 4 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 2 digit, so I will write which is at unit place is 4 and 1 as a carry. Fine class. Next number which is 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So I will write 7. Next which is 4 plus 4 8. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1 as it is. Okay class? And 1 as it is. So this is how we can solve multiplication of 6 digit by 3 digit number. Okay, so this is at ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So we can write 995. Okay, this is how we can read in words as 178,744,000, 178 million, 178 million, 744,995. So class, this is all which is related to question number 6. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.